What's up, guys? I am at the bowl getting my hair washed. My birthday's coming up, so I am doing a little vloggy vlog. So stay tuned while I get my hair cut by the GOAT. So if you guys don't know, this is Patrick Bradley, and he is a well-renowned hairstylist and educator. He is very precise when he cuts your hair, and I love the way that my hair came out. It feels so amazing, so soft, and it's just me loving it. There he goes. That's my buddy Opal.
Greetings to all out there in the YouTube world.
Yes. This is Christopher, guys. So I think what I'm gonna do now, check my hair, make sure I'm straight. This haircut is so cute, you guys. I'm loving every bit of it. So what I'm gonna do next is go get some bubble tea from Kung Fu Tea, because they have this rose hip lemonade that I am sprung on. And since the kids are at school, I'm gonna go and treat myself to some tea. So I got my Kung Fu Tea. Yummy, yummy. This is like my favorite thing, my guilty pleasure, because the kids cannot know. So I get the rose hip lemonade with aloe jelly, and it's so good. But I like to do this, and my kids don't know about it. They're gonna know, because if they watch this channel, which they all do, they're gonna see, and I'm gonna get beat up because I went to Kung Fu Tea without them. But as a mom, sometimes you just need to do things for yourself. This is like my thing that I do for myself, and I don't always have to get them stuff. You guys, if you watch this, I don't always have to get stuff for y'all. It's a blessing that I do, but this is for me. So I'm drinking my tea. Somebody might ask, well, you're a hairstylist. Why are you getting your hair done by somebody else? Because I can't see. I tried to cut the back of my hair, and he even said today, what happened back here? I cut a big plug out of the back of my head trying to just thin it out. I messed it up. So sometimes you just need to find a hairstylist that you trust, that will give you the styles that you actually want, and you know, just again, that you trust. And so I trusted him to get me right, and I love my hair. The wind has like blown me every which way, and it's still not a hair out of place. It goes right back into the style, and that's how you know you got a good haircut. Okay, the wind blew, and I mean blew, and I came back here, went like this, and my hair is right back the way that it needs to be. Somebody cute just walked about that restaurant. Maybe I need to go up in there, because Lord. Ooh. Okay, I got to go. I'll see y'all later.